Good morning, children. I am your math teacher. Hope you all are good at your home. Today we will continue same chapter, size and comparison. In the previous class, we learnt about classifying long and short object based on their length. पिछली क्लास में हमने वस्तुओं को उनकी लंबाई के आधार पर बांटना सीखा था. In today's class, we will start our next topic, which is tall and short. In this topic, we are classifying the things based on their height. आज की क्लास में हम वस्तुओं को उनकी ऊंचाई के आधार पर विभाजित करना सीखेंगे. Before today's class, we will revise our previous topic, which is long and short. Here we will understand with the help of these images. In the first image, in this picture, you can see a snake and a rope. Snake is long and the rope is short. In the same picture, you can see two combs. One is red and the other one is yellow. Red one is longer than the yellow one and yellow one is shorter than the red one. After revising the previous topic, long and short, let's move on to the next topic. Today we will learn about tall and short. आज हम लोग ऊंची और छोटी चीजों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. In this picture you can see a building which is tall. In the same picture you can see a tree which is short. So building is taller than the tree and the tree is shorter than the building. In the same picture you can see the stoplight and the clock tower. Stoplight is short and the clock tower is long. The stoplight is shorter than the clock tower and the clock tower is taller than the stoplight. In this picture, there is a boy and a girl. The boy is tall. The girl is short. In this picture, you can see two smileys on a holder. The first one is tall, second one is short. So the first one is taller than the second one and the second one is shorter than the first one. In this picture, there are two palm trees. The first one is tall, the second one is short. So, we learn about big and small. I will give you a practice task from this topic. You have to do that at your home. In the next topic, we will learn about long and short. Thank you. Bye. In today's class, we learned about tall and short. And in the next class, we will learn about heavy and light. Thank you. Bye bye.